How to make group chat on iPhone iMessage. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make group chat on iPhone messages. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, just go to your messages and after you're here, tap on the top right corner on your right message option. After you're here, you can then start adding people. So you can add up to 32 people in a single group and they must have iMessage. So just add people from here. You can tap on this plus icon to start adding multiple people and then start messaging them from here. And that's how you can make a group chat on your iPhone iMessage. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.